Hello guys, today I'm making a new video on how to save location to objects, and yeah, that's probably that. It's probably that I'm gonna do. So now okay. It's hard to me to like speak English because I don't know every word, so I'm gonna try to explain it for you. So the first thing we're gonna do is making a save, like making a folder that we call save game, and yeah, I'm gonna talk you some more. We're gonna save the location if we have, and we're not gonna like save if you make it like there, and if it's to there and you like pushing it to there, it saves that location. We're gonna spawn something, and then we're gonna save the location, and it's gonna spawn it again when the character is in the game, and it's gonna spawn it on the same place. So the first thing we're gonna do is make a save game, and we're gonna make a save game object. Call this like save game for tutorial. Whoops, what did I do there? There you go. And then I'm gonna just check if it works. Save game object, and there you go. Okay, nice. Because one time it didn't show up. So, and then we're gonna go in here and like make two variables. The first one is test cube 1, and what do I call it again? Test cube 1 location. Wait, shit. Location array save, and we're gonna make this transform and make it an array. And this one we're gonna just make it to a transform array, but we're gonna change it. Okay, so test cube 1 class array save. There you go. And now we need the object we're gonna save. So I think it's need to be so we got this object, and we're gonna make, I think it needs to be a static mesh, but you can do the same thing with a static mesh that we can do with actor if you're using that. So let's get a test cube 1, and we're just gonna put in a cube. There we go. So now I need to now we can go back to the saving again, and we can go there and let's find a test cube 1 in static mesh object type and reference, and here we go. So that's, and if you don't know how to make groups, I can show you that. We're just gonna make test 1 save, and there we go, we got a save here. It's pretty useful when you're making like test 2 object, test 3, test 4, and you're like, yeah. And now we're gonna I'm gonna show you how I am spawning it into the world. I'm just gonna get a test cube 1, and here we go, and I'm like spawning it like this, and I click, and that didn't work because I am stupid. Test cube 1, it should work by the way, so I'm not sure what's wrong. So probably this one. Nah, oh, it's working here, but it's not visible. Oh sure, I know what's wrong. On the test cube 1, you need to make it movable. If you're gonna build something, you need to make it movable, and I'm gonna do that. So you see, you can like, and if I just spawn it there, oh shit, I don't have the spawning at the place. So let's do that, and here we go. So it's gonna like spawn one there, and spawn one there, and spawn one there, and like on top of it. But we need to save this, because if I go out and in again, it's not there. So that's pretty bad. Yes, it is. So now we need to make a function, and that's save game. Save game. And yeah, so the first thing we're gonna do now is to, what is the first thing we're gonna do? It is, sure. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is create game, save game objects, and we're gonna get the save game thing. What is it called? I don't know. And yeah, sure, I forgot one thing. Okay, sorry guys. Just click on the save game, and you'd like click on a new variable and call it player location save. Player location save, and you like got it a transform, but it's not array. Okay, guys, remember that. And here we go. Player save. Can we do that? Yeah, nice. So yeah. So now I'm going to drag out this, promote it, and call it save game subclass. Here we go. And then I'm gonna cast to the save game, and then for making it simple, I'm just gonna promote that and call it get save game. Nice. And then I need to, yeah, sure, I need to set player location save. We're gonna set the location save, so the thing we're gonna do is to get actor location, get actor rotation, and get actor scale 3D. Okay, and then we're gonna make transform. Here we go, and you simply just drag it into the play location. Okay, so now we just what is okay. Sure. So we're gonna get all. Oh shit. Okay, let's make a sequel. So let's make a sequence, and then we need to get all actor of class, and that's the test cube 1. And then we are going to make a for each loop. I'm gonna get one there. We're just gonna plug that one in there, and we're gonna get I think it's the save game. Yes, the save game, and get these two classes here. No, get the one class and one location. Okay, and we're gonna simply just add. And we need to make a sequence. We need to add it and add this one. There we go. And this one is just gonna be plugged into that, and we're gonna get actor location, get actor rotation, and get actor scale 3D. And now we're just gonna make probably transform. There we go, and just plug this in there, and you're gonna do that. Perfect. So I think this is the save game. No, we did something wrong in that. Put that one there. Save it at the class. So just adding it into these variables. So yeah, this array variable sort of everything. And for the loading, oh, this is gonna be fun. Yes, guys. So, and we forgot one thing. Of course, guys. That was probably so close. I have my little helper here from my game I made it for. So, save game to slot, and save game name, and we're gonna get a string, and we're just gonna call it save game 1. Save game 1. And here we go. And then I'm going to get this subclass. Subclass, yes, it's the subclass. So that's probably all. Yeah. And there we go. Now it's a save game thing. Shit. Okay, and then we make a new one, load game, new function. And it's probably going to be yes. So we're gonna load game from slot, and no, we don't gonna do that. We're gonna does save game exists, and that's the first thing we're gonna do. So if it's true, just gonna go there and like get a new one. If it's false, we're just gonna print string, maybe save a game first. There we go. Nice. So there we go. And then I'm going to save save game set, that one. Perfect. We're gonna cast to this one. I'm not gonna see my little tutorial thing, and we're gonna get a sequence. I'm just gonna do that sequence. There we go. And then I'm going to I'm going to get my player location, get player location save, and I'm gonna set actor location, set actor or rotation, and set actor scale, and I don't think it's this one. Sorry guys, it's yeah, sure. Sorry, it's set control rotation. Nah, man. Set control rotation. Where is it? Set control rotation. Here is it. So that one. Just need to take off the content sensitive. So there we go. And gonna get controller. There we go. And then I am going to break transform, and the only thing I'm gonna do is to put a location there, put the rotation in there, and put the scale there. So I think that's all for the player location. And now we're gonna go for the object, so that's some difference. So we are going to okay, so we're gonna go for each loop. First thing we're gonna get that one, get test cube 1 location array, and then we're gonna plug this one in here, and we're just gonna get this, yeah, and you're gonna get an index there. Oh shit, you're gonna get an index there. I watched a YouTube video on how to do this. He did the same thing here, but he just, I'm gonna talk you through that later, I think, but no, I'm gonna do it. So paints. So the thing he did was to, you have some actors in the world. No, I've talked it for some in the beginning of this video. He had like, he spawned these static meshes here, and you like moved it when it was, move it, and you got out of the game again and saved, but it didn't spawn back. Yeah, it spawned back like this, so you had like, he just made these actors move. So the thing I did was to spawn it again in the same positions, because if you're building something, a house or something, a shelter, and you like build it there, and you want to save it, you like, it goes away when you stop the game, and it spawns from the actor and in there to the same position. I am very, this is my first video, so sorry guys if it's like very weird to, yeah, not good, sorry. So the thing he did was to like set actor location, and then set actor rotation, then set I'm just gonna check if this is the same on my main game. I can show you my main game. This is coming from later in the video. Actor scale, and then we're gonna break this. Just break this one, and we like, the thing he did was to just do this. He didn't spawn anything. He just got all of the actors, saved it, and like get the same position from them, and like you see this one is every cube is who's in this one. So if you go in here and you like, when you save, every one of the cubes just go in here, and that's every one of the cubes that is in the game. But the thing I does is to spawn them. So you have some spawned here, and for each loop, it's gonna loop that one, and loop that one, and this one, and it's in here. So it's gonna get the location from every one of these, get the location from every one of these. Here, you see. So hope you understand that. And you're gonna get, and the thing he did was to do this. So I think that works, but I am not going to do that. We're gonna spawn. The thing I did was to spawn. I'm gonna leave that very nice YouTuber in the description, so you can watch him and like everything he got. So yeah, and now you're gonna get the set. Nope. Or yes, we're gonna do that. Test cube 1. Here we go. And gonna set it to ignore, and the thing I did was to just get this one. So it's gonna set it automatically when you just get this one just in case. But I'm not sure if you can. I'm just gonna untick this one. Just gonna try that one out. No, I'm not gonna do that because this is more safer. So the thing you did, just uncheck this one, and you just get the return value there and there and there. Remember, it's the return value. I'm not so good to explain here, sorry. And it's probably that. And if I am correct, I can go in here and go into the event graph and get like I, and for the save game, and this one to the load game. Oops. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's check this out. There you go. So if I just if I try to like load, maybe save a game first. Okay. So I'm just going to spawn one there and like one there and one there, and I can spawn one there and at the wall there. Why not? And maybe there and there. So I can spawn one there. So okay. So if I just save now I saved. You can see I saved, and it's looking like this, guys. And if I go here, I like press this button, I'm gonna get back there, and you see everything is back. So you can build more and put something on the top there, and 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 you like save again, like you're watching everything of this. Probably here. I like press I and go back and press the load button, and here we go. Everything's back. That is so nice. Okay. Hope you like, everyone. Please subscribe and everything. And every YouTuber says subscribe and like, so just do that if you want. And it's helped me a lot, because if everyone likes these videos, I can try to explain much better than I did now and work on my English. And yeah, so goodbye, guys.